Good morning, students. In last class, we have studied about the prominent social media platform and how we can follow while working on the social network site. So today we discuss about network security and threats. So here, a threats refer to anything that has the potential to cause serious harm to a computer system. Threats are potential for vulnerability to turn into attacks on computer system, networks and more. They can put individuals, computer system and business computer at risk. Therefore, vulnerability have to fixed so that attackers cannot infiltrate the system and cause damage. Network security measure all needs to protect data during their transmission and guarantee that data transmission are authentic. So let's talk about the first topic, which is denial of service, that is DOS. Here, the DOS attack. DOS attack are those attacks that prevent the legitimate user from accessing or using resources from information. These type of attacks may eat up all the resources of the system and bring the computer to a halt state. Halt means empty. It actually eat up all the data and make your system empty. The data, it vanish all the data. The various denial of service attacks are denial of access to information. Here in this particular thing, corrupting, encrypting or changing the status of the information so that it is not accessible to its legitimate users. In this, actually it encrypt all the data, it change the status of the information so that nobody can actually see the data. Second is denial of access to application. Here it actually forced shutting all the application as soon as the user open it. In this, whenever we try to open any app, it actually close that application. Next is denial of access to resource. In this, actually blocking a resource, may be a printer or scanner or USB port of a computer, preventing the computer from working properly. So it actually stop all the peripheral devices and it give a block or resource. As we can say that whenever we try to use anything, it prevent the computer from working properly. Last, denial of access to a website. Continuously sending bulk requests to a website so that it is not available to any of the resource. In this situation, it continuously send bulk request to a website so that it is not available to any other user. As the traffic come through one of a medium, so the sender did not get the time, or the sending of the messages is blocked here. So next is malware. Here, short for malicious software is a file or a code typically delivered over network that infect, explore, steal or conduct virtually any behavior an attacker wants. Though varied in type and capability, malware usually has one of the following objectives. First, provide remote control to an attacker to use an effective machine. Second, send spam from the infected machine to unsuspecting targets. Third, investigate the infected user's local network. Fourth, steal sensitive data. So all these types are included of all the malicious software. So let's discuss about the different malicious softwares. First is cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is the use of technology to tease, humiliate, threaten and harass someone. Second is stranger danger. So here stranger danger is the danger to children and adult present by stranger. Next, digital footprint. This is used to describe the trail, traces and footprints that people leave behind. Digital footprints are recorded with each and every online activity we perform, whether it's interaction on social media, chatting and connecting with friends on social media sites that we visit, online shopping, location through Facebook, check-ins, etc. So these are actually footprints, people can record these footprints. These can be compared more often to the footprints that you leave behind when walking along on a beach. Every step that you take leave an impression on the sandy surface that allow another person to see and follow your mark. Digital footprints are also termed as digital tattoos. However, a beach footprint get washed away after some time, whereas digital footprints stay forever and cannot be done away with. So, I hope you understand this video. Have a good day. Stay safe. Thank you.